that building out.
Yeah, it did.
Should we get away from the windows? Take the cover.
Right over us.
Yeah.
Move it on, move it on.
We'll have a car on the ground?
We're gonna have something on the ground, I guarantee we will. Crack the shit out of our windows. Get shit all on the thing. Shattered my window.
Yeah, I see.
Oh, it's a double plane window.
Tornado, northeast of Lincoln, Nebraska. Time is 2:54. Oh my gosh, look at that stovepipe. That's a strong tornado. Lots of debris in the air. Lots of debris in the air. Jesus, be with these people.
Jack. Wow. Semi's overturned up here. Hey, let's get up to the sky real quick. Yeah, let's go see. I got the med kit in the car if you need it. Put it on your hazard right now. Keep filming that. You guys will help. Yeah, I got it. You two are on the left side. Watch out for oncoming planes. We've got wow. We've got hazards on. All right. Oh my God. He's okay. Right. He's okay. It's good.